Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, what do you say when you break your fast? So here you are, after 16 hours, finally the moment comes in. That's the dua you say. Okay? ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. Thirst has been squished or gone. وابتلت العروق, and the vessels, the blood vessels, is being wet. وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. And my reward is granted. Is there. And that's a dua Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam used to always say. It's in Sunan Abi Dawud. So remember this. Do you know it all? There's no yes or no. I don't know what's happening.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, and if you don't know, please learn it. Again, a small piece of paper, give it to your children with a translation. With a translation. Put it, and even better, if you want to do a project for Ramadan, simple, easy, and you will get a lot of rewards. You know, make the small these cards, small cards, make this dua and give it to people in the masjid as they are breaking their fast. How much rewards you will get, let alone for your children. And let your children do it. Let them go online and look for this hadith with a translation. Let them design it. Keep them busy to do something for Ramadan. طيب? Now, coming to the hard one. That's another big piece of chocolate you're going to put on your cake. I don't know how many of you can do it though. What is it? Control your temper. Your temper. Your fasting. Your fasting have to be different than everybody else. Control the anger. As-siyamu Jannah, the same hadith I shared with you earlier. Siyam, fasting, is a shield. If somebody, one of you is fasting, لا يرفض ولا يفسق ولا يجهل. Don't say words. Don't say things that is displeasing to Allah. And of course, don't have a relationship. And if someone is transgressing against him or her, say, I am fasting. One of the things you're going to work on yourself, for those of you who have temper. Can I see hands that people have temper? How many have real temper? Yani when you get upset, the children are under the couch. How many of you? Right? Okay, so let's take it one by one. If you are someone who under the couch, the children are, right? You're gonna. And I mean this. This is one of the beauty of Ramadan. It's a training camp. Ramadan is a training camp, but we don't look at it this way. It's a training camp. Do you like being so upset? How much you regret afterward? We all do. You don't say it. And you don't show it to your children, but in you, it's like, why did I do this? Right? So you want to be calmer. And it doesn't mean you don't get upset. Al-ghadab, actually, anger is part of us. Allah put it in us. It's not the anger itself. It's the action. The reaction to anger is what is being advised to control, but not the feeling. And of course, if I see someone disobeying Allah, I am not happy. But how I respond is what Allah wants from me and what Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. So if you are somebody with the kids under the couch, when you get upset, you're going to say to yourself, this is not going to happen in Ramadan. They will not hear my voice. It's going to be a look. And they will learn that when I look at them, they're under the couch. Meaning you're under control, but you're still not happy. Did you get the point? Improve. If you are usually, you get very upset, but you're a kind of person who is introvert, we call. Meaning you don't show anything, but it is inside you. Then you need to work on yourself inside. That you will talk to yourself that, you know what? I disobey Allah, especially with the children. This is what I tell the woman. You get so upset when the children disobey you. How many times do we disobey Allah in a day? And He still gives me and you, and feed me, you and me, and give me all these opportunities. So look at yourself. If you are someone who doesn't lose your temper, and I've seen people, ihmadillah, be grateful to Allah, because that's a ni'mah. That's a ni'mah. Not everyone has it. So part of the cake that you will beautify, you're going to tell yourself, I have 30 days. Life goes on in Ramadan. Children are children. School are school. Work is work. Traffic is traffic. We get upset of traffic. Right? And we think everybody is wrong and we are right. Allah knows how much we were speeding. And how many stop signs we didn't even stop. True. You're all laughing because it's true, right? So look at yourself.